Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Barrie local and long-distance movers near me. Our company, 3 Movers, understands your struggle in balancing your office, classes, or family in addition to packing. Every customer is served like they're a member of the family, so it is our goal to relieve them of their stress. We can conveniently lift your entire household, even over large distances, given our years of polished experience. The biggest factor that drains your wallet is the increasing distance of the shifting destinations, but with our curated rates, you might find it beneficial for yourself. The process encompasses ratifying every category of possession with a checklist, packing, loading according to the fragility, smooth transportation to the destination, and unloading and positioning. You would naturally look into shifting stuff yourself locally, but this would be riddled with other problems of possible injury, lack of storage options, improper packing, and added stress. To avoid the aforementioned, you can just switch over to a friendly packing company like ours. You could be shifting to Magog, East Angus, Valcourt, or Danville. We are omnipresent everywhere in Canada. We cater to every item as unique as it is, whether it is your washing machine or a simple journal. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Barrie moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.